Come back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 13th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at dollar yen, and the dollar has been strengthening against the forex majors this morning, but not against the yen. There seems to be a bit of a safe haven move in these markets, just developing slightly as gold is also performing a little bit better. But you've got this broken uptrend on dollar yen, and now the market is basically just sort of falling into this consolidation band. Really, you'd say 12.95 up towards that that reaction high that we saw 1470 area. But generally the high is being felt around 1450, which was that old July key high. So we've still got that big resistance, that big overhead resistance in place, and now the market is falling away and seemingly forming another negative candle back towards 50 on the RSI again. A move below 50, I think that would be a bit of an indication that I think 12.95 could well be breached. And a little bit of a breakdown below 12.95, certainly on a closing basis, would complete a small top pattern as well. You'd then sort of measure that from projected from 14.45 as a conservative target, and you'd sort of say that's 150 pips to the downside. So that's what 1150, sorry, 110.50 area. So, sorry, 1150, my mistake, 1150 area. And again, you'd be looking out for this 38.2% fib level, which is again around the September-October low. So a retreat to that fib level easily could be seen. And that fib level, certainly 23.6% at 14.25 having been resistance, you'd be perfectly sort of willing to accept a retreat back towards 38.2% fib at 11.55. Now, are you going to get this breakdown? Well, you are posting lower highs, and until today, or till Friday anyway, lower lows. So 1308 was Thursday's low, and having fallen away again, you could see that coming back under pressure. So 1320 was Friday's low, but certainly it looks like the market is rolling over, doesn't it? More negative configuration. Look at that RSI failing again around the 60 to 65 area, as it has done since the market has been in this correction mode. Now, RSI, if that goes back to sort of 30 or below, again, that would be suggesting that the momentum is negative, and then you'd sort of start to think about selling into strength once more. I mean, the market is fairly well positioned, still with the initial downside potential, so you could still get a little bit of downside out of this, maybe back towards that 1308 mark, but you still sort of see that it's not an enormous amount of downside potential in the near-term move. But you'd certainly be looking at selling into strength on that. So wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.